Let's design a small bedroom for 2 boys. My wife accidentally gave birth to twin boys, and we only have 1 room left in our house. The usual setup fits just 2 beds, so the kids have to share everything without any privacy. They also study together, which often leads to fights when they can't agree on something. Sometimes their arguments get so intense, it feels like they could tear the house down. Let's consider a solution. Firstly, use a circle of galvanized square steel for the frame, welding it horizontally and vertically in the middle for strength. Reinforce the end columns for extra support. With a bit of spending money, buy expansion screws to secure it tightly to the wall. Cover the walls with eco-friendly solid wood boards. Add a soft mattress on top, and there's the elder brother's bed. Build a frame around the window, welding the middle parts horizontally and vertically for durability. Add legs under the frame for support. Use eco-friendly solid wood boards for covering. Place another mattress on this frame for the younger brother's bed. Add a soft, bumpy pad next to his bed to make it extra comfy. Install a hanging desk at the bed's end where the younger brother can study hard. Put 2 sets of cabinets against the wall with a bookcase above for world literature masterpieces and a spot next to it for his collected model figures. Create a wardrobe under the elder brother's bed with a space for hanging clothes, making them easy to reach. Use glass doors for the wardrobe to keep it looking nice and dust-free. Add 2 large wooden boxes beside it for storing seldom-used bulky items conveniently. Use several wooden boxes as steps with 2 drawers below for frequently changed underwear, and a spot for all the smelly socks. Comics and extracurricular books go on top, handy for grabbing before bedtime. The cabinets are for out-of-season items and quilts, using space efficiently. Add a wardrobe set above with a space for hanging clothes and glass doors for a beautiful dust-proof solution. Install partitions around the bed for privacy, using a gypsum board for the wall and frosted glass for doors and windows, ensuring good sound insulation. Set up a desk and bookshelf for the brother, providing a dedicated study area. This bedroom design smartly divides the space between the twins, catering to both functionality and privacy, ensuring they live in harmony.